In this video, we'll show you how to set up a SEMA data co-op export template so that you can use it in mapaces.com and in ChannelAdvisor. Okay, these 5 steps are: first, you're going to log into your SDC account. So you go to semadatacoop.org. There you're going to create a new export. For that export, you're going to set up the fields you actually want to export, so what the exported file should contain. You're going to run the exported file export. So you create the file. You will download the exported SDC file, and that's it. From here on, you're just going to download the file and you're going to upload it directly to mapaces.com. I have another video on that too. Step 1. Log in to https://sdc.semadatacoop.org. Step 2. You're going to create a new export. On the left navigation, go to your exports, click on exports, and in the top navigation, click the new button. You're going to set up a new export. Alright, you are going to create a new export, and you're going to select the number 3, build my own custom template using the PIES receiver specific new format. You're going to select the brand. You're going to select air raid. Do not check these checkboxes. Filter your product data you want to export. You can check all, or you can check check some of these. We are going to check a few. The delivery method can be FTP or direct download. We will check direct download. We're going to run it immediately, and we're going to have a full export. We'll have to name the export and then save. Let's go to the next step. The next step is to set up the fields, the columns, and the information you want in this file when you export it. In this window, we will have to set up our export file and the fields we want to export. We have to set it to pipe separated. Fitment options, we want to include the fitment information, but what we don't want to have the year ranges. We just want the fitment. We do not want to include market copy. And then now we're going to add 3 fields we actually need. We need a SKU. We need a SKU anyway because ChannelAdvisor requires a SKU. And so our SKU will be our part number. We add it to the right, and then the next column will be the brand ID. And the third column will be ACES application. It's just going to tell for every row in this file that it has actually fitment or not. So it's going to be a yes or no. And that's that. Let's save this template. And then a question is, are you going to run this? And you say, yes, I want to run this. Essentially, we arrived to the part where we can now wait for our export. And go to my history. This is where you can see it. It will show you if it's still running or if it's done. And once you see that's done, then you can just export. Next step, step 5, download the exported SDC file. Go to your SDC account, look for this little icon here, and hit that icon, and that will download the file to your desktop. Okay, quick recap of the steps we took so far. So we took 5 steps, and we generated in the last step a file from SDC. We downloaded it to our desktop. So what are we going to do with this file? We are going to have to convert it using mapaces, because the file you get from SDC you can't upload to ChannelAdvisor directly. So mapaces will convert it for you to a ChannelAdvisor format. Okay, now you have the result file from SEMA Data Co-op, but you can upload that directly into your ChannelAdvisor account. So what are you gonna do? Well, go to mapaces.com and register. Once you registered, you will be able to upload your SEMA Data Co-op file, and MapAces will convert it to a ChannelAdvisor format. So log in to mapaces.com or create an account and then log in. Once you did that, you will see this interface. It says choose file, add your SDC file here, then add file to the queue. In case you have many files to convert from SEMA Data Co-op to ChannelAdvisor format using MapAces, then MapAces has an FTP feature, so you will be able to provide us FTP information. Our software will be able to go to your FTP information, go to your FTP folders, grab the files from there, convert them, and after conversion, we're gonna put that back to your FTP server, FTP folder, and from there on you can grab them and upload them to ChannelAdvisor. Let's go back to the manual upload to the demonstration. Once the file in the queue or it is already converted, click on the blue link and download the file to your desktop, and you can go ahead and upload the file to ChannelAdvisor. You can upload the result file directly to your ChannelAdvisor, or you could create a custom import template in your ChannelAdvisor account. If you don't know how to do that, we will be happy to help you out. Please email us at info@mapaces.com. Couple of important notes for those of you who are techy enough to mess around with the result file. So I don't recommend that you do anything with the result file once you downloaded it from mapaces.com, but if you do, you will be able to open this file with a plain text editor, so Notepad or Notepad++ for PC users, or BB Edit for Mac users. But do not open this file with an Excel or LibreOffice or any software like that, because the nature of an Excel spreadsheet is that Excel only can contain a maximum of 32,600 characters or something like that. But the fitment information in this text file, which you get from mapaces.com, many times will exceed that. So basically, if you open up with an Excel or LibreOffice, then you risk losing data, and you don't want that. So if you need to open up and you want to look at this file, use Notepad++ or BB Edit for Mac users. Okay, so we have the file converted at mapaces.com. So what to do next? We can go ahead and upload this file to ChannelAdvisor, or we can create an import template in ChannelAdvisor and use that import template to import the file. It's up to you. I recommend contact us, and we can help you out to set up an import template and see how can you use this file. Please email us with any questions or call us at 480-818-5260.